You see how it feels? Kind of.
Yeah.
So I haven't cured this yet.
Yeah.
But then when you walk back over here,
nice and
yeah. That feel? This is. Yes, sir. That is beautiful, man.
This is awesome.
Yes, sir. So I just got to UV cure this, and then that bedroom, and I'm going to call Christian to see where they are.
Okay.
They should be pulled up any minute.
Do you have to do anything with the stairs?
No, not the stairs. It's Saturday, April the 5th. We're on our only project of the day. We're in Roswell, Georgia. This is the residence of Kenneth and his wife. They actually found me online, went to my website, watched a ton of my videos, read my reviews. And what we're going to be doing today, guys, this is a new construction home, but they noticed that the floors were already getting scuff marks and micro scratches, which is an indication to me there's not a good coating on this floor. So they actually had my one of my colleagues that I network with, Christian, him and his crew came out this morning and moved the furniture. So what we're going to be doing today is close to 1,700 square feet, screen and recoat with UV cure, and also 17 stairs. Then we got to after we get the coating down, we're gonna go do another consultation in Roswell. So let me flip this around, guys, and show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so as you can see, it is a beautiful day on this Saturday. We're in Roswell, new construction homes going up. And these are the floors that we're going to be doing today. So this is the main floor, and you can't see it from the camera, but again, you can just see a lot of scuff marks and little micro scratches everywhere. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going. Well, I've already flipped it around, I'm sorry. So we're going to be doing this masters on the main, coming through here around this beautiful kitchen island area. Again, when you look really close, just see like a lot of surface marks and scratches. Then this wide open family room area. Okay. And then over here, was this the same room? Okay, so we got another room right here. And then we got this potty room. And then upstairs, we have 3 rooms upstairs, and then we're also going to be doing the stairs to the basement. All right, so we got this area, this hallway. Again, you can just really just see the finish already wearing. And this area right here. All right, guys, go ahead and get started. Stay tuned. All right, guys, I got a great screening on this floor, as you can see. All right. Now, one of the reasons I would say they were seeing a lot of scuff marks and scratches so early, this is a oil-based finish that's on that floor. The way I can tell, the oil-based ambers, it has like a yellowish, see that right there? Has that yellow tone to it. That's an oil base. Oil base takes a long time to cure, probably sometimes 30, 60 days, depending on the finish. I do not use oil base. And that might be one of the reasons, because they was experiencing those scratches and those scuff marks, because I've actually been behind a lot of contractors that have sanded floors and they use oil bases, and then the homeowner called me back and say, Courtney, the floors are scuffing, they're scratching, they don't look right. So with the rad coat, which I'm prepping right now, with the rad coat, they're gonna get a great superior finish on this floor. On the 3rd floor, all right, guys, got the rad coat going down. All right, I had a job for tomorrow, but it's supposed to thunderstorm tomorrow, so we rescheduled for another day. Don't like to really work in the rain, especially if it's thunderstorming. So, all right, guys, let me get this floor coated. Stay tuned. All right, guys, I just got back. I went and did a consultation. Probably going to be doing that floor next Saturday. They're actually moving out. But I'm here with my client, Mr. Keith, and guys, look at these floors now. So they have not been UV cured. I just called Christian. They're gonna be here between 5 and 6. Got some great finish on this floor. And two things I'm gonna point out. I thought this was a solid floor, but this is actually an engineered floor. So this floor is definitely sanded at least one time. It's probably the only sand you can get out of it. But also too, Mr. Keith, I noticed, remember how you get those scratches and scuff marks so much?
Yeah.
They had an oil base on here. Oil-based ambers.
Okay.
It takes a long time to cure.
Okay.
And also too, if it was a cheap oil base, and since they use contractors, it probably was. That's why it was scratching so easy.
Okay. Cool.
Yep. Because if you really look around like the quarter rounds, you can see a little amber. Yeah. But also if you look at the vents, like right here, see that yellow going down? That's the oil-based finish when they probably T-barred it and just went down in the vents. But yeah, it was oil-based on this floor.
Looking good.
Yes, sir. So you want to come over here? Remember you were talking around look at that. That was your main concern?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, it was that's awesome.
Yep. All right, guys. So what I'm going to do is, where's my UV machine? My guy brought it. He put it somewhere. Oh, it's on the patio. So I'm going to start UVing from the top up. And then by the time Christian and them get here, they can start sending the furniture back upstairs. And then I'm going to come downstairs and UV cure the downstairs. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, that is going to do it. Look at these floors now. Look at that beautiful finish, man. Oh, that is gorgeous. Beautiful. This is the satin rag coat. Not too shiny, not too much sheen, and not too flat. Again, my most popular finishes is satin and matte. I rarely do semi-gloss, and I don't do gloss at all. And I do also an ultra matte, but mattes and satins are my most popular sheen. Beautiful, guys, beautiful. Client's very happy. Floors nice and smooth. Movers are actually on their way right now to put the furniture back. And my day is done. So anyway, guys, I did have one for tomorrow. We rescheduled because we're supposed to get a thunderstorm tomorrow. But we've already got, I think, 5 on the schedule for next week. And upstairs, so proud of myself that I've lost weight over the years, because stairs used to kill me. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Also the closets. And again, guys, this was definitely a great investment for the homeowners moving in. Already seeing that the floors didn't have good finish on it. So getting the floors done with a superior finish was a great choice before having their furniture moved in. All right, guys, that's going to do it. You guys who are on spring break, be safe, be careful, watch your surroundings, have fun, and yeah. See you in the next one.